Let us start CBSE Mathematics Class 10th Exercise 5.4 Optional. You see the question number 1. First is, which term of an AP 121, 117, 113 is the first negative term? Here A means first term, that is 121. Common difference, that is equal to -4. Let nth term be 0. So 121 plus n minus 1 into -4 equal to 0. Here n minus 1 will be equal to 121 upon 4. So n will be again equal to 121 upon 4 plus 1. So it will be 125 divided by 4. It will be 31, and 1 by 4 means on 31 it is just approaching to 0. 31 term, the 31 term is just approaching to 0. Beyond that, as you cross the 30, as you reach the 32, that will be in the negative part. Hence n is equal to 31 and 1 by 4. It implies that 32 term will be the first negative term. Therefore a by 32 will be equal to 121 plus 32 minus 1 into -4, that will be equal to 121 plus 31 into -4, that will be 121 minus 124, it will be -3. So the 32th term will be the first negative number. Now proceed to the question number 2. The sum of the third and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16th term of the AP. You see, according to the question, it is given that A3 plus A7 is equal to 6 and A3 into A7 is equal to 8, and we have to find sum of 16 term. So here you see A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is A3, plus A plus 7 minus 1 into D, that will be the seventh term. Should be the sum of these two terms should be equal to 6. That is why I have written here 6. So a plus 2d and a plus 6d is equal to 6. Again 2a, a and a, that is 2a plus 8d is equal to 6. Now divide this complete, left hand side and right hand side both by 2. We will get a plus 4d is equal to 3. So a will be equal to 3 minus 4d. Now come to the second part of it, that is the product of A3 and A7 is equal to 8. So you see A3 means A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 2D. I have written here A plus 2D. A7, for that I have written here A plus 6D. Here you see A plus 6D, A plus 6D. So the product of these two should be equal to 8. It is given. So now in place of A I have written 3 minus 4D. You see, in place of A I have written 3 minus 4D plus 2D in the first bracket. In the second one, again in place of A I have written 3 minus 4D plus 6D equal to 8. So solve it, you will get 3 minus 2d and 3 plus 2d is equal to 8. So you see a minus b and a plus b formula, algebraic formula you can apply here. That will be the 9, 3 square, the 9, and 2d square, that will be 4d square. It should be equal to 8. So d square will be equal to 9 minus 8 divided by 4, so it will be equal to 1 by 4. So D will be, means the common difference will be equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Now substitute this value here. A, to find out the value of A. So 3 minus 4 plus minus 1 by 2. You see, plus minus 1 by 2. Now you see, before this there is a minus. So this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. That is why I have written here 3 minus plus 2. Again I repeat it, that this minus will be multiplied to the sign plus minus. So the upper sign will become negative and lower one will become positive. So you will get ultimately 3 minus plus 2. That will be, once you take the minus sign, at that time A will be equal to 1. While you take the plus sign, it will become 5. Means 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So when common difference is 1 by 2, at that time A is equal to 1. When common difference is minus 1 by 2, at that time A is equal to 5. So you see, I have taken arithmetical progression. You see, first A means 1. Now you have to add 1 by 2. So 1 and 1 by 2. If you just add 1 by 2, you will get 2. So 2 and 1 by 2, 3 and 3 and 1 by 2. And so on, 4 and 4, 1 by 2 and 5, so on. You see, for the second case, you see, when common difference is minus 2 and the first term is 5, at that time, that AP will be equal to 5. 4 and 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 I have subtracted from 5. Again, it will become 4. 3 and 1 by 2, 3. 2 and 1 by 2, 2 and 1 and 1 by 2 and 1. To take the sum of 16 term, you see 16 divided by 2. Here I have taken 2 into 1 means the first term, that is 2 into 1, that is first term, plus 16 minus 1 means n minus 1 into 1 by 2. That is common difference plus 1 by 2 I have taken here. So 16 divided by 2, that will become 8. And 2 into 1, that will be 2. This will be the 15. 16 minus 1, 15 divided by 2, that is 15 by 2. So just solve it. You will get inside 8 into 19 by 2. Further you solve it, you will get 76. This will be the one answer of your question number 2. Second answer, you see, 16 by 2, the number of terms are the same. 16 by 2, here your first term is 5. So 2 into 5. 16 minus 1 means the n minus 1. Here common difference is minus 1 by 2. So I have taken here minus 1 by 2. Solve it, 16 divided by 2, that will become 8. 2 5s are 10. And further you solve it, you will get minus 15 by 2. So 2 10s are 20. 20 minus 15, that is 5 by 2. So 8 into 5 by 2. You see, you can cancel the 8 by 2, that will be 4. And 5 4s are 20. So it will be the second answer will be 20. There are two answers, that is 76 and 20. Now proceed to the question number 3. You see, a ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in the length from 45 centimeter at the bottom to 25 centimeter at the top. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2 and 1 by 2 meter apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rungs? You see, the number of rungs will be how many? that is, you see, 250 divided by 25. You see, the distance between the two consecutive rungs will be 25 centimeter. So total distance from this point to this point is 2.5 meter, that is 250 centimeter. So 250 centimeter will be divided by 25, and that will give the intermitting, means from here to here, but it will not include this. So in order to include the n rungs, I have added 1. So it will be 11 rungs will be required. So number of n, so number will be n will be equal to 11. So here you see the 45 centimeter and minus 25 centimeter. You see, 45 centimeter and minus 25 centimeter means the bottom, the length of the bottom rungs and top rungs is equal to 20 centimeters. Now there are 10 rungs to be fixed here. So 20 centimeter divided by 10, that will be the 2 centimeter. Means your common difference will be equal to minus 2 centimeter. Our common difference will be equal to minus 2 centimeter, and this will be the arithmetic progression will be like this: 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25. So we have to find the summation of length of the rungs, means 11 by 2 in bracket A is 45 and the last one is given, that is 25. So A plus L, n by 2 in bracket A plus L. So 11 by 2 into 70, that will be equal to 35 into 11. It will be ultimately equal to 385 centimeter, which will be the answer of question number 3. Now proceed to the question number 4. The house of a row are numbered. The houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. So that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers of the house preceding the house numbered x is equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Find this value of x. Here you see, I have made a house by small bracket. You see number 1. So in between, the last one is 49. These houses are in a row. So first one is first, second, third line, so on up to 49. 49 houses are there. So in between there is a number, some number is x. So the sum of the numbers from 1 to just preceding means the x minus 1. So from 1 to x minus 1, the summation of these numbers should be equal to the summation of x plus 1 to 49. Means we have to not include this x. X is the demarcation line, you can say separating line. So here in this case, left hand side, n will be equal to x minus 1 because 1, 2, 3 and 4 so on. Then n will be equal to x minus 1. Common difference is 1. Your first term is 1 and the last term is x minus 1. So take the sum, find out the sum of it, means that is, you see, n is equal to x minus 1. I have used the formula n by 2 a plus l. Here sum s1 will be equal to x minus 1 upon 2 whole upon first term, that is 1, and last term, that is x minus 1. So this minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. So we are left with x into x minus 1 upon 2. Now come to the right hand side. Here you see we have to find number. How we can find the number? You see 49 minus x, because it is included. So we can't subtract this. So 49 minus x will give you the number of the houses lying between x and 49, including 49. So this will be the n, that is 49 minus 1. Common difference is 1. Your first term will be x plus 1. You see, your first term will be x plus 1 and last term will be 49. So here summation of these numbers of houses will be equal to n by 2, means 49 minus x by 2. Inside the bracket, your first term, that is x plus 1, your last term, that is 49. You see, again solve it. 1 plus 49, that will become 50. So 49 minus x upon 2 into x plus 50. Here, according to the question, it is given that summation of this and this should be equal. So just equate them. X into x by x minus 1 upon 2 should be equal to 49 minus x in first bracket, in the second bracket x plus 50. This is denominator 2. These two will be cancelled. Now multiply it. X square minus x should be equal to 49x plus 49 into 50 minus x square minus 50x. You just solve it. This is minus 50x, this is 49x. So you will get minus x here. Here minus x square. 49 into 50 as it is. I have left it here as it is. Now you see x square minus x. So minus x on the left hand side and minus x on the right hand side, these two will be cancelled. Now when you transpose this minus x square to the left hand side, it will become 2x square. So 2x square will be equal to 49 into 50. Now cancel this 50 by 2. Just divide it by 2. So you will get x square will be equal to 49 into 25. Take the square root of both the sides. You will get x will be equal to 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. So the value of the x will be 35. Now proceed to the question number 5. Here you see a small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps each, of which 50 meter long and built of solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter and a trade of 1 by 2 meter. See the figure. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. Here you see, I have mentioned here the vertical height of one step is 1 by 4 meter. The horizontal length is equal to 50 meters. And the breadth on which the spectators used to sit, that is 1 by 2 meter breadth. So again the succeeding one, that will be the 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that will become 1 by 2 and so on. So listen here, that n is equal to the number of the step, that is 15 given. Each step had got fixed length, that is 50 meter, and a fixed breadth, that is 1 by 2 meter. But the height will keep on increasing as follows, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1, 5 by 4, and so the 15 terms are there. So you see here your first term is 1 by 4. Our common difference is 1 by 4 again. So volume of the concrete required to build the terrace will be equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So you see 50 into 1 by 2 into inside the bracket I have written here 15. You see sum of these. Sum of these will be means 15 by 2 inside the bracket 2 into 1 by 4, that is 2 into a. So that is first term. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus 15 minus 1 into 1 by 4, bracket closed. You solve it, you will get 25 in the bracket 15 by 2 into 1 by 4. In the second bracket you will get, while you solve it, you will get, so 1 by 4 I have taken out common, you see 1 by 4 I have taken it common, you see 15 by 2 into 1 by 4. And this 50 has been divided by 2, so we got to 25 here. 1 by 4 from this and this place I have taken common, so 15 by 2 into 1 by 4. So we are left with 2 plus 14, means 15 minus 1, that is 14. So lastly we will get 25 into 15 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 16. Solve it, you see 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. So we are left with 25 into 15 into 2, that will be equal to 750 cubic meter. This will be the volume of concrete required to build the terrace.